Sorry. Monica. They're good. Beatbox. Ow. Follow the bug. Okay, let's get serious. I'm doing burping 37. Like I said, 5-minute videos now. Actually up to 7 maximum, because it takes forever for me to upload these. During the school year, I will get my iPad back and I will be able to use the school's Wi-Fi to upload these within minutes. So see you. Wait, I'm not leaving yet. Why did I say I'll see you later? I don't know. Baby time. I heard something. I'll be right back. Cut it the bag back. I'm back. Some of you suggested me burping into stuff. I'm sorry guys, there's some of you guys who would like me to have a friend to burp on. I've asked several people they would like to do that and be a star on YouTube, but they decline. Because they don't want you to do that. Sorry. And I've tried to go up to someone before and do that. Several people actually. Just burp on them randomly with the recorder. And they wondered why I had a camera. And when I told them why, they didn't want to be on YouTube. So, I'm sorry. I'm trying to please you guys on that. I'm sorry, I can't though. On some things. But that doesn't mean we can't have fun with other stuff. If there's any other suggestions you guys want me to have for me, I will gladly take them in. Okay, that's not gonna work very well. Let's try burping into this. Nope, that didn't work out very well. I did it. That didn't work out either, did it? Well, what am I supposed to do? Ah, this will work. Right, fine. Oh god, that smells. That's not working out very well. Styrofoam cups don't work out very well because of that. It's plastic cups that work well. Yeah, I don't really have any plastic stuff ready for this one. I could. But I don't always have everything. I forgot that you guys asked for me to get something to burp into, make it sound like... Actually, I might have some. Hold on. Okay, that might work. You ready? Are you ready to rock and roll? Some of you wanted me to burp closer, so it sounds loud. I don't know if that went out. If I go up right here to you and burp, that's how loud it will sound. It sounds to me because my mouth is about that close to my ears. So. I can't do it very well. When I'm up close. And let's try again, shall we? Now we can get out. What if I bring it up in this position? Hello. Burp talking. What's up? Oh, and to my dear friend out there. Hello, my friend. Okay, so, I forgot what I was gonna do. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. Ah. Okay. Okay, I am almost out of time. One more burp for you guys, Just do a major one on it. I guess that was major. Let's try a major one sitting down real quick, too. Oh, yeah. Okay. That was a major one. Now, I make the other videos that you can check out that I've made, and click the like button at the bottom if you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe. And there are up in my channel there are many other burping videos to check out. I also have chugging and many other videos of various types that you can check out. Just stuff that you see random every day, and something speciality for you guys. So and I also have a website that has a lot of my videos on that you can sign up for, and we can blog and many other things. It's www.lucasbentley.webs.com. That's www.lucasbentley.webs.com. One more time, www.lucasbentley.webs.com. So I hope you enjoy that too. Thank you for watching my videos, and enjoy my other videos. Bye bye bye. Bye.